If you have a program that gathers command line arguments using the argv list out of the sys module, you need to do something a little bit special to enable that to work with the debugger. So here I just have a very, very simple little program here that displays what command line arguments a given program is receiving. And normally when I run this, maybe I want to specify N500, I would get the command line args.py as the first element in that list, and then -N500. Now you may be thinking, well, I can start up DDD like this. I specify PyDB as the debugger, command line args.py, and then the -N500. I press enter. Now I have my DDD window open, and I get things started by pressing the run button, and it automatically pauses at the first line, so I can just use step or continue to actually execute the program. And what you'll see is that the command line options -N and 500 don't appear here, which is different from when we ran it as a program in the terminal. And the reason is because those arguments got consumed as command line arguments to DDD and not as arguments to the Python program itself. So to specify the command line arguments to the Python program itself, I actually need to use the little text console down here. And instead of pressing the run button, I type the run command, and after the run command, I specify the command line arguments to my program. I press enter. Now it is restarting with these arguments, and now if I press continue, I see that sys.argv is consistent with how I was running it in the text console. I get the -N and 500 as expected. So this is just an additional little step that you need to take if your program takes command line arguments and you want to run it under the debugger.